Kwa tukiariria haha ino atafara no ito for some while twari ti horocio muno gochanura muingi uhoro wigie data protection.
Yes, uhoro wigie data protection ithiko ici ri ti kaundu you can just wish away.
Tadu ngiro era case in point ri shinani gazi cirare kuo in the political arena weekend ri ni irato ririkani uhoro utwaragia wake
wa data protection
niro ni uhoro muno case in point uhoro wigie baby top kuga namba yake ya thimu ni yanikitwo na location yake hari
ndironire it's quite unfortunate
ni andu aria aingi meta guturaku uhoro ucio wothe ri it should concern us tondu uri rungu uhoro uria twaragia wigie data protection ni kurania namba yaku ya thimu namba yaku ya kibandi those are two very critical
maisha maria turaikara muthi namba ya thimu na namba ya kibandi ni indo igiri very important hari mundu wothe tondu namo maisha mo muthi ri indo icio igiri ni iratwarana na indo icio igiri no ri korwo gicibatara gucihuthira in your day to day life.
Data protection ni yaku ri ni hutanitie ne kegiritania muno na namba yaku ya thimu your personal identification details maundu maria wigwetaga na namba ya kibandi ya thimu maritwa maku mothe kuria uikaraga ni enda gatwana ningi na kindu gitwa privacy
ni batie kugitirwo tondu no we nao maundu ni maingehire turia neme ni twaingehire na andu a ill intentions
na tiga turia neme na ill intentions turaigira into a very heated political period turaigira siasa ine iria cietagwo riu cia moto
siasa riu ya ndengeranio na ngumuthurano
na njira hau turari uhoro wigie muno andu aya twi in public ona we ihinda riri tiria gukuheaga anybody your contact tondu nironi atariu wakirubania rauga message iria mukirite ni makiri na makiri
ona thimu kuhurirwo thimu nyingi ndio ninge he thimu onge ona ongihurirwo ona cio ko overwhelm.
I know very worrying is that gothie taru kuri aria makweterainio ya thimu makweithio tutio uhoro ri
tutio uhoro ucio na I think edie kana mweshi mwa ikonya wari isite that issue sometimes last year haha ede ya baratha one episode ya baratha na kiuga bururi yo ni tubatie kumenya atiriri honge cia ugitiri cia ugacero cia githirikari ri he mutambo makoragwo naguo na ni wiriga go procure sometimes ago mangihota gutiraki thimu yaku matekugerera gwa the mobile service providers ati no mamenye namba yaku ya thimu mahota gutiraki hari ori exact location
matekuthira mukuheio tungata wa thimu urahuthira
na ni kaundu kabati gu concern everybody
worrying and concerning
tondu angikorwo no mahote ku bypass na mahote gu pinpoint hari ori ri you never know who would land into that kind of private data teo.
Absolutely. Na nikio tutwara ya tukari uhoro wigie ri a very very well clearly stipulated and laid out law ya data protection.
Na it's high time tafururi tu hukona that conversation tondu maisha maria turaikara umuthi macio ni maundu meri utari hota gwithemana namo no ri huthira thimu namba yaku ya of course no nginya ri ko na kibandi no gitransact kindu bururi utari na kibandi na icio cieri ru iratwarana hapa kwa hapa
which begs the question how protected are we data yaku ri waheana handu ri tondu ni uthia nginya ona kundu very simple ta kuingira estate ya uciarire mundu ri ni weo ibuku ni washimani wandike
maritwa maku namba yaku ya thimu
na
yaku ya kibandi
utaikona watho uri urakwo ri ni urarora mundu wa kawaida ri wa protect ri that is likely to be very abused
no kaundu gaka ati the security agencies no mahote gutiraki thimu yaku matekuria mundu kiuria na mahotete ku bypass all other processes ni kaundu nako gabati gukorwo kari very concerning,
very concerning and worrying.
Tondu you never know uhoro ucio ricoka kurandi moko-ini mao na ena angikona na intention iriku na gukorwo ena information iyo yothe ni kaundu tubatie gwiciria na kurora muno ta bururi na gugeciria na gukaririria
na gukarikira muno na ugatua ndereti ti uria tugutagia undu twehereire.
That should be a concern to everyone,
and the debate we should all participate in actively tondu rahutia o mundu wothe.
Taru last week herugano ndathomire gatheti-ini imwe last week thirikari na mubango wa kwanjiriria kwendia data.
Our own data,
as much. Iria irogotaga tugiciki services cia thirikari ta e-citizen, where have you. Kwina mubango ucio na kana mutaratara ni wanjitie wa uria thirikari commercialize na yanjiririe kwendia data yo. Ni marakiuga matirikendagia namba ya
personal
details ta namba ya thimu na maritwa ma mundu. But how sure are we? Yes.
Process that you scrutiny
nene muno muno tondu I don't understand to makio marikendagiria researchers na advertisers dio no ne ndirarigwo uria researcher kana advertiser angikorwo interested na data itari na ritwa ria mundu na namba yake.
Absolutely. I don't know agihutha information hiyo
na ingimuteithia naki riu ni undu bati kumurikwo no murikwo na kinyi muno.
We must get proper answers. Na tutaririo.
We need to.
Now you're in the know.
Now you know.